This is how to buy Bitcoin on Bitpanda. Of course, what you want to do is head on over to any browser of your choice on your laptop or computer. Head on over to bitpanda.com, just like you see here. Alright, once you're on this website, we're going to go in the top right to sign up. Here we'll enter all our information. Once you've added all your information, go ahead and press on create account. You're going to redirect to your email address to just confirm you actually used a good email for it. It should look like this right here. We just have to press a button that says confirm my email. Once you've done that, it's going to redirect you here. Press on continue. It's going to ask you a few questions. Go ahead and answer these how you see fit. Once you've done those questions, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. And here you enter all your information like your name, your birthday, your street name, your zip code, the city that you live in, your country of residence, and also your mobile phone number. Once you've done that, it's going to come up to this page right here. We're going to go over to Discover right here. And here we'll find a few charts, but what we care about right now is Bitcoin. We're going to go to the search right here and look at Bitcoin. And here, the first one will be Bitcoin. Then on this page is how you will buy your Bitcoin. So go ahead and press on buy right here. Go through the steps of linking your bank account and then add that amount of Bitcoin into your account. That is how to buy Bitcoin on Bitpanda.